All right. Hello, everyone. Let's thank Stephanie Clark for being here. Stephanie, if you want to introduce yourself briefly.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Clark, and I am a PhD student at Michigan State University. My specialty is entomology.
Great. So you're an entomologist. Can you tell the group what kind of scientist that is?
Yes, so an entomologist is a type of biologist that studies insects. So my specific expertise is in butterflies and caterpillars.
Cool. So you study butterflies and caterpillars. Where might you study those things?
So I study at this really beautiful research station called Kellogg Biological Station. It's in Hickory Corners, Michigan, which is kind of like right around Kalamazoo. But the habitats that I study are farm fields, short and tall grass prairies, and mixed deciduous forests, which are most of the forests around here.
Great. So what kind of inspirations, if you can remember any, got you into science and studying insects?
So it's not listed on the slide, but I actually wanted to be a veterinarian for all of my life until I went to college. And I was like, wow, plants are so cool. And I wanted, like, all of my research before I ended college was in plant biology. And I was like, yes, this is the path I'm going to go down. And then I worked in an entomology lab after college. And I was like, okay, actually, this is so cool. And I decided that by going the entomology route, I could not only work outside, but also I could work with plants and insects. And I feel like that's the perfect combination for me.
Awesome. That's good to hear. I'm sure a
Thank
lot of
you.
people are excited about working outside, especially now. So, um, cool. If you had to boil down your science into one sentence, what would you say?
So my sentence would be that I study butterflies and caterpillars to find out why insects are disappearing. So there is a worldwide decline in all insects. So they are rapidly disappearing and no one really knows why. So my research just talks about, or it discusses untangling the mechanism behind why insects are just like disappearing so fast and where they're going and why they're going. So yeah,
It's a great,
thank
great
you.
cause. So, based on that sentence, we can probably guess. But finally, how does your research impact the world?
So a lot of my research has to do with farm fields, as I said before. Agriculture can be a bit harmful for insects. So I am trying to find a way to make farming more insect friendly so humans can benefit and insects can also benefit. And we can use this information to help protect insects from changes like or challenges like climate change. So climate change is possibly one of the big drivers for why insects are disappearing. And through this research, we can kind of understand how we can protect them and like put together some measures so that their populations can survive.
Fantastic. That's awesome work.
Thank you.
Thank you, Stephanie, for joining us as our resident entomologist. We appreciate you.
Of course.